Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate rewards redemption with Chasing, full guide step by step clearly. To automate rewards redemption with your Chasing card, start by logging into your Chase account. Navigate to the rewards section of your dashboard. Select the type of rewards you want to redeem, such as cash back or travel points. Click on Redeem to view available options. If you're opting for cash back, choose the amount you wish to redeem. For travel rewards, search for your desired destination or itinerary. Follow the prompts to select your travel dates and preferred airlines or hotels. Review the amount of points needed for your redemption. Ensure you have enough points for your selected option. Once you've made your choice, confirm the details of your redemption. Next, set up any necessary automation options. Visit the Account Services section in your Chase dashboard. Look for the Rewards or Automated Redemption settings. Here, you can set preferences for automatic redemptions based on certain thresholds. Decide how often you want these redemptions to occur, whether monthly or quarterly. Save your settings to activate the automation. Monitor your rewards balance and transaction history regularly. Make adjustments to your automation preferences as needed. This process will help streamline your rewards redemption and simplify your financial management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.